Today in crypto. Bitmining pool subsidiary btccom leaves mainland China. btc.com will cease registering new users due to the crypto crackdown. As of October 15, BTC started retiring existing accounts. The effect of China's crypto clampdown continues to affect many businesses and individuals, thus leading crypto service providers in the country to close shop. For this reason, Bitmining Limited, a leading crypto mining company, announced that its mining pool subsidiary, btc.com, is exiting the mainland Chinese markets. btc.com says it will stop registering new users from mainland China. To obey local regulations in China, btc.com began retiring existing user accounts starting from October 15, 2021. Bitmining is a renowned technology-driven crypto mining company that provides crypto mining, data center operation, and mining pool services. Bitmining owns the blockchain browser btc.com and a mining pool business operated on btc.com. It also provides mining services for a variety of cryptocurrencies such as BTC, BCH, ETH, and LTC. Back in July, China's central bank publicized that crypto trading or mining is considered illegal in the country. Ever since, the regulatory bodies have been on the lookout for crypto firms, resulting in businesses and individuals in the space leaving. China cited mining energy usage, money laundering, and fraud as some of the major reasons for the crackdown. On the good side, the People's Bank of China announces it is ready to help financial platform companies to modify their practices in line with the regulations. While the country continues to clamp down on the crypto industry, its central bank digital currency, CBDC, keeps getting more attention across the country. According to the Central Bank's Digital Currency Research Institute of China, the digital yuan delivers the highest privacy protection. Australia, India, Japan, France, and a few other countries are also working on their digital currencies. Meanwhile, Brazil is preparing to adopt Bitcoin as its legal tender before the end of the year. However, the U.S. has seen an increasing number of digital assets usage. And also, a few states are advocating for Bitcoin legalization. Continue reading on CoinQuara. 2020 was a very difficult year for many, but it was also the year when cryptocurrency went viral. Due to global confinement, many turned to day trading to cope with boredom and make extra income on the side. Trading apps such as Robinhood, Nasdaq Hood, saw a record trading volume and new accounts signing up, and Bitcoin trading considerably increased throughout the lockdowns. There has been a dramatic influx of investments in cryptocurrency since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the end of 2019, the total cryptocurrency market cap was hovering just under $200 billion. Fast forward to September 2021, and it surpassed $2 trillion. Lockdowns drove interest in crypto. Severe restrictions caused by the virus sparked the interest in digital assets for many young people that were stuck at home. A 22-year-old student from India who wants to keep their identity hidden stated that if it wasn't for the pandemic, they wouldn't have had the opportunity to learn more about crypto. In March 2020, due to the lockdown, I had a lot of free time. A lot of news started covering crypto during this time, as many countries started to acknowledge crypto. So, I started researching about them and came to know about hardware wallets, where you could have total control over your funds, and the odds of losing your coins were low. I had the fortune to be able to invest in crypto and still be financially stable during the pandemic, so I was not scared about losing my savings money that much. I started buying crypto and moved them to my hardware wallet. In just 3 months my portfolio doubled. I was very excited and bought more crypto. This is how I started investing into crypto out of my own pocket, the student shared with Daily Coin via Reddit. Cryptocurrency consultancy company CryptoConsults, founded in 2017, has also seen a rise in clients in the past year. While the demand for CryptoConsults services is often dependent on market trends, we have certainly seen exponential growth in the volume of individual consultations we conduct. We're also seeing a variety in the types of consultation services we provide as compared to years past, with crypto security being a hot topic, the company's founder, Nicole DeSico, told Daily Coin in an email interview. One could argue that, regardless of the pandemic, The cryptocurrency industry was poised and ready to hit a tipping point in investor sentiments toward digital assets. A more plausible explanation is that we're seeing a rare combination of circumstances dramatically impacting the markets and driving the growth of the industry through an inpouring of both retail and institutional investments, disengages shared. People turn to crypto in uncertain times. According to disengages, it's not the first time in modern history we've faced financial uncertainty. But unlike economic downturns of the past, we're seeing an across-the-board unpredictability when dealing with a crisis of this magnitude. Hyperinflation fears have forced even those with the most traditional investment strategies to consider alternative investments. While these same investors might have balked at cryptocurrencies 2 years ago, they are being forced to reevaluate their holdings and their stance on digital currency. Economic impact payments, or stimulus checks, are a more obvious factor potentially driving an increased interest in cryptocurrency during the pandemic. Many Americans looking to use the payments for investment purposes also found themselves with more time on their hands and perhaps had the bandwidth to thoroughly research cryptocurrency investments, engage with peers on the topic through social media platforms and explore cryptocurrency exchange platforms. This, coupled with a trend towards platforms that are easier to navigate for the everyday user, has increased access to such investments and moved the industry away from an elite tech-savvy minority towards an all-encompassing ecosystem that's much more welcoming to the majority. Cryptocurrency provided benefits during the pandemic. Investing in crypto turned out to be the best decision I've made in my life, both financially and personality-wise. I used to be an impulsive kid who would burn my money on silly things for instant gratification. But now, I think 2 to 3 times before even I spend my money, the 22-year-old crypto enthusiast said. According to Crypto Consult's CEO, crypto has indeed provided a multitude of benefits for participants at an individual level. We're hearing more stories of middle-class investors who have accrued life-changing amounts of wealth over the past year. Rather than get-rich-quick schemes, investors are starting to see the true value behind the tech and how blockchain will innovate and disrupt many traditional models that have become stagnant. The excitement surrounding cryptocurrency has led many of our clients to reevaluate their investment strategies and brought more focus to their overall financial health, which, regardless of one's acceptance of digital currency, has obvious benefits. Crypto has also opened the narrative around decentralized finance and governance models. As a society, we've realized how financially vulnerable we are. For some, this has created a sense of distrust. Consumers and investors are looking to decentralized models as an answer that might provide more stability and predictability, even during times of crisis, disengages summarized. On the flip side, even though the pandemic was one of the causes of sudden crypto popularity, there are many other reasons why cryptocurrency became widely accepted. Lack of knowledge about investing in crypto also resulted in people losing money during the pandemic. Why you should care? Due to the pandemic, people had more free time to research the subjects that they care about and spend more time on their interests. Financial difficulties and mistrust in governments were other reasons that steadily drove crypto interest in 2020. Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. A 4-year-old girl has reportedly earned over 6,500% profit on a 1 Bitcoin (BTC) gift she received on the day of her birth. Joo Canhada, the founder of a Brazilian crypto exchange Foxbit, gifted 1 BTC to his newborn daughter, roughly worth $915,80. Sharing details on the event, Canhada said, "Continue reading on Cointelegraph." Co-founder Richard Chan refuses to sell his CryptoPunk number 6046 for $9.5 million. If we convert, the $9.5 million is equal to 2,500 ETH. Richard emphasized that Punk number 6046 is tied to his identity and online persona. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have had a mix of positive interactions these days. While the NFT sensation is still in progress than never before, co-founder Richard Chan has come out to say that he just rejected an offer of $9.5 million to sell his CryptoPunk number 6046 to at Popes. When we convert the $9.5 million to cryptocurrency, More especially in Ethereum, it amounts to over 2,500 ETH. In fact, this is quite a huge amount of money if Richard had accepted the offer. Emphatically, Richard himself even stated that the offer represents the first ever and the largest on-chain NFT sales in US dollars. But he chose to say no to the offer no matter how huge the amount is. Reasonably, Richard came again with a separate tweet where he explained that his CryptoPunk number 6046 is not for sale in any way. Additionally, he mentioned that he doesn't even care how much anyone will offer him. He further said that even when offered 1 billion or more he won't sell his NFT. I rejected a 2,500 ETH, $9.5 MUSD, offer from @Popexs on CryptoPunk #6046. This could have been the largest ever on-chain NFT sale in USD, but I chose to reject the offer. Here is the story and why. pic.twitter.com/04C5Z6, Richard, @Richard, October 16, 2021. Expanding further on why Richard declined the offer, he noted that Punk number 6046 is connected to his identity and online persona that encouraged him to reject the offer. On the other hand, NFT collector Gmoni also disclosed how he spent $170,000 on CryptoPunk NFT back in January. Continue reading on CoinQuara. This week, our 6 questions go to Yat Siu, the co-founder, group executive chairman and managing director of Animoca Brands, who leads various NFT projects. A veteran technology entrepreneur and investor, Yat is the co-founder, group executive chairman and managing director of Animoca Brands, a global leader in blockchain and gaming with the mission to deliver digital property rights to the world's gamers and internet users. Animoca seeks to create a new asset class, play-to-earn economies and a more equitable digital framework contributing to the building of the open metaverse. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.